ready to go. Today, 16 November 2024, and we are almost on our way. Kgalagadi, here we come, with Botswana as well as the Nossa 4x4 trial. But tonight, it's Red Sands, and then we enter Kgalagadi. This guy wanted to make a U-turn, and then it became an obstacle. Just more than 100 kilometers to go for our overnight stop at Red Sands. Arriving at our overnight stop destination, this was a first time for us. We were welcomed by a glass of ice-cold iced tea. Booking in went very smooth, and we were allocated site 102 for the night. The bathrooms, I must say, were kept very clean. We also spoiled ourselves at the restaurant, and was this delicious!